Hello Blazers, it's me again. You know that as a gamer, YouTube video ranking is kind of a big deal when you're looking to make a brand for yourself. Creating content on your channel for your followers to look at is definitely one of the most fulfilling practices of a gamer. So I am here to tell you some cool tips on how to rank YouTube videos on the gaming community. Let's start! Gamers, pay attention to YouTube SEO. SEO is important to rank your videos, and the very first step is to create keyword-rich videos. You can start with a list of keyword ideas, from the big picture like gaming, to very specific keywords like Fortnite Season 10 for example. What I do to find the ideal keywords for my videos is simply using the YouTube search bar. Choose keywords with less competition to earn better ranking possibilities. For example, I use specialized apps like vidIQs and compare keyword volumes. Another tip? Find a trending topic around your focus game. Google Trends can too give a clear direction to understand what the content demand is for gamers these days. Rank your video for Google too. In general, Google tends to use video results for these type of keywords. How-to keywords, reviews, tutorials, anything fitness or sports related, and funny videos. But no matter what your video is about, remember to always start with a strong hook. The first 15 seconds of your video are crucial for your viewers, so make them count. Say your keyword out loud, because YouTube in fact hears your keyword when you mention it, and this gives them a better idea of what your content is about. Remember also have a proper video description, adding relevant cards with related subjects that might be interesting to your viewer, and of course, using high-ranking tags. Okay, you have your SEO in order, but if your videos are not interesting or eye-catching from the very start, well, creating high-retention videos is what keeps watching your video till the end. Audience retention is an extremely important ranking factor. The question is how to keep people engaged. You need valuable and interesting videos. You can either use a useful piece of advice or hacks for a game, teach them how to achieve something, new levels for example, or share the news on something that's happening right now in the gaming industry. This is the first part of a 2-video series on YouTube video ranking for gamers. Hope that you have found something new and a better way to improve your gaming channel. Now, to watch the second video and know how to beat the algorithm, find the link down in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.